Welcome back, YouTubers. I've got some exciting news for Gansaw Games. We're going to start doing reviews of products. Should have one probably about monthly or so. Check back around for some good reviews of survival products and outdoor gear. Okay, first product review. Got this Tact Bivvy from Survival Frog. Comes with a Survival Frog sticker. Kind of hippie, pretty cool. Tact Bivvy 2.0 is an emergency sleeping bag with echo heat technology. Let's break it open. Wind and waterproof, lightweight, easy to carry, full body protection. Paracord drawstring, and also has fire tender in it, 120 decibel whistle, and a carabiner. Not for climbing, that's just to hook to your gear bag. Let's check this whistle out. Baba don't care about the whistle. Alright, here we go. Open this bad boy up. Head it out. Hate to unfold it on them, we're going to get it back in there. There it is. Let's get it opened up. There we go. It's waterproof. It's kind of like those emergency heat blankets that you can buy at Walmart, but this one, that's a lot tougher. There, I got my finger through it, but wasn't as easy as those cheap ones. You can just rip those suckers clean down. I'm gonna climb in there and we'll see how I fit. Well, I've got plenty of room in there. Goes well over my head. I'm about 5'9". Now let's see if I can get it back in the bag, and we'll try that fire tender out. There it is, back in the bag, fits in the palm of your hand. If you want to save room in your pack, it's got a carabiner. Let's check out some of this fire cord. You're obviously going to need more than that in a survival situation. I'm just giving you an example of how that lights. You want to strip this tender cord down. That little red piece is what you want in there. There you go. That's your fire starter right there. I'll wad this up a little bit. Stick it down there. Light it, see what happens. See there, it just burns. Now if you light the end of it, it'll burn real slow like a wick. Put that down there. Put you some wood on it. There you go. Caught that little piece on fire with just that little bit of it. Now, ideally, I'd have this in some leaf clutter, pine needles or something like that. They're going to catch easy. So there it is, folks. The Tact Bivvy 2.0 by Frog Company. I'll have a link to this in the description if you want to get one for yourself. Thanks for watching Gansaw Games. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up.